Good day mga ka-faith friend. We always wonder how a child will turn out later in their life. The people said of John the Baptist, "What will this child be?" But God has planned for every child that is born in this world, and that hope is shared through the sacrament of baptism. The child is protected in the hands of God through this sacrament. The parents know that their child has something special about him in God's plan. We must always believe that our child can be as generous, compassionate, caring, and committed as John the Baptist. They can pass these values as they grow up and become a person full with integrity. For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook PH, or visit our website www.faithbook.ph. God bless mga ka-faith friend.